I start investing in index funds? I started in 2015 when I opened up a 401k with my employer, a traditional IRA, and a brokerage account. So I invested in total stock market index fund in each one of those accounts. And since 2015 till like March of 2020, the market has been climbing rapidly. And I remember seeing like 30% growth, and I'm like, this is insane. But that's not what we want to look at for our portfolio actual returns. So we want to look at the average return over those years, and the total stock market index fund that I am using was started in the year 2000. So for the past 23 years, it has returned on average 7%. So sometimes you'll see it grow 30% and then you'll see it go into negative like it did in March 2020 and then recession, and it kind of just bounces a little bit. But the average return is 7%, and that's a number that we can plug into our FIRE calculators, figure out if I invest this much, how much return will I get. Now, it doesn't scare me when my portfolio bounces around for a couple reasons. One, because I know the average return is 7%, so even though it goes up and down. But two, I'm not dependent on that income from my portfolio as of right now. So when I retire early, yes, I will be withdrawing from that, and maybe it might feel a little different when I see that portfolio go down. But here's number 3. The Trinity study says that you can withdraw on average 4% from your portfolio without crippling your portfolio even when the market goes down. So we want to make sure we have that 25 times our expenses in our portfolio invested so that we can withdraw that 4% and have peace of mind that when we are withdrawing from our portfolio, that it will be okay to withdraw even when the market goes down 30%.